Halo semua, selamat pagi. Kembali lagi bersama saya Riyadi. Pada kesempatan kali ini saya mau latihan soal TOEFL ITP, khususnya di bagian kedua, Structure and Written Expression. Dan lebih khususnya lagi ke bagian incorrect words. Di soal nomor 16 sampai 40. Kita mulai dari bagian pertama. The duties of the secretary are to take the minutes, mailing the correspondence, and calling the members before meetings. The duties, subjeknya the duties, verbnya adalah are, to take, mailing, calling. B, taking. Oke. Benar. Karena ini adalah tidak paralel. Oke, kita lihat pembahasannya. Itu kan paralel. Tidak paralel dengan mailing dan calling. Oke. Next, if biennials were planted this year, they will be likely to bloom next year. If pengandaian, they would be, bukan will, would be. Let's check it out. If kita cek pembahasannya. Nah, conditional if dalam bentuk past tense were planted harus diikuti oleh would atau could dalam kalimat hasil. Will be harus diganti dengan would be untuk menjadikan kalimat tersebut benar. Next, the value of the dollar declines as the rate of inflation rises. Rises itu bukan rises tapi rise, bukan RAIS tapi RIS, karena kalau rise itu kedudukannya, kalau rise itu pada harga naik, melambung naik, seperti itu rise. Jadi ini sebenarnya rise, tuh kan benar. Agar kalimat tersebut menjadi benar, rises harus diganti dengan rises. Karena rises berarti bergerak ke tempat yang lebih tinggi, sedangkan rise artinya meningkat, tambah, atau bertambah. Seperti itu pemirsa. Next, even though a member has drunk too much the night before, the counselors at Alcoholics Anonymous will try to convince him or her to sober up, to stop drinking again. Too much before, to convenience. Try plus to has drunk. It should be drink, drunk, drunk ya pemirsa. Drunk, drink, drunk. Karena kalau ini kan present perfect harus dia pakai participle atau verb 3 kalau di Indonesia kan. Itu kan has drunk. Drunk harus diganti dengan drunk karena setelah has harus diikuti dengan verb 3 atau participle. Oke, seperti itu. Even though a member has drunk, bukan drunk tapi drunk. Anthropologists assert that many of the early American Plains Indians did not engage in planting crops but to hunting, living primarily on buffalo meats. Ini kayaknya paralel lagi. In planting but Tuhan, hunting. Okay. It should be hunting. Itu kan paralel struktur to hunt harus diganti dengan in hunting agar kalimat tersebut benar, in hunting. The neutron bomb provides the capable of a limit nuclear war in which buildings would be preserved but people would be destroyed. The neutron bomb subject provides predicate, the capable of limit. Kan capable itu bukan noun, capability. Itu kan capable salah, seharusnya capability. Capable adjective, capability adalah noun atau kata benda. Kita next, soal nomor 7. The differential attraction of the sun and the moon have a direct effect in the rising and falling of the tides. The differential attraction of the sun and the moon have a direct effect in the rising, and rising sudah sejajar dengan falling. Have sudah benar karena ada n-nya di atas. In, effect in, I'm not sure, saya tidak yakin. Kita coba aja. Benar. In, the differential attraction of the sun and the moon have a direct effect in the rising and falling of the tides. Ini idiom, kasus prepositional idiom. Preposisi untuk efek adalah on. Berarti efek on bukan efek in. Seperti itu guys. Cek. Soal nomor 8. Despite of the pills that are available, many people still have trouble sleeping. Despite, bukan despite, in spite of di situ ya, meskipun pilnya tersedia, banyak orang masih mengalami kesulitan tidur. Despite, in spite of seharusnya. Nah, despite itu tidak boleh diikuti oleh of, pemirsa. Nah, untuk menjadikan kalimat ini benar, kata despite harus diganti dengan in spite. Soal nomor 9. Before TV, the common man seldom never had the opportunity to see and hear his leader express their views. Before TV, the common man seldom, jarang, never tidak pernah, seldom, never to see and hear. Seldom, never. Redundansi ini kayaknya ya. Redundansi itu katanya mirip. Seldom sama never itu hampir mirip pemirsa. Let's check it out. Tuh kan. Repetitif namanya. Menggunakan kata yang berarti sama atau hampir sama. Seldom harus dihapus karena ia berarti almost never. Di mana dalam kalimat tersebut kata setelah it seldom adalah never. Seharusnya almost never. Dihilangkan saja seldomnya ya. If it receive enough rain at the proper time, hay will grow quickly as grass. If it receive enough rain, if it receive enough rain at the proper if it receive enough rain at the proper time, hay will grow quickly as grass. Ini pengandaian yang bersifat fakta, bukan as like mungkin ya. If it receive enough rain at the proper time, hay will grow quickly as. Yang benar adalah like. Nah, kan? Ini pengandaian yang bersifat fakta. Nah, as seharusnya diganti like. As berfungsi sebagai konjungsi, sedangkan like berfungsi sebagai preposisi, pemirsa. S-nya di sini berfungsi sebagai konjungsi, sedangkan like berfungsi sebagai preposisi. Next. Psychology today is interesting. Psychology today itu nama judul, buku mungkin atau nama judul televisi program. Jadi situ bersifat subjek. Psychology today is interesting, informative, and it's easy to read. Double subject kalau it is. Psychology today is interesting, informative, and easy to read. Nah, itu kan. It is harus dihapuskan kata. Nah, itu interesting, informative, dan easy to read. Before she died, Andrew Jackson's daughter, who lives in the family mansion, used to take tourists draw her home. Before she died, Andrew Jackson's daughter, who lived in the family mansion, Andrew Jackson's daughter, Andrew Jackson, who lives in the mansion, used to take tourists. Oh, ini agak susah pemirsa. Before she died, Andrew Jackson daughter, Andrew Jackson ini di HP tanda koma, berarti ini apa ya? Apalagi bahasa Inggrisnya itu. Apositif apakah namanya? Apositif. Before she died, Andrew Jackson daughter lives in the family mansion. Who lives in the family mansion used to susah. Kalau menurut kalian apa ya? Before she died, Andrew Jackson daughter, who lives in the family mansion, used to take before she died. Salah. Before she died, Andrew Jackson daughter, who lives lives itu harus lampau guys. Nah tuh kan harus live pakai D bukan S. Kita lihat. Nah kalimat ini menggambarkan tentang aktivitas orang yang telah meninggal. Dengan kata lain, aktivitas tersebut terjadi di masa lampau pas. Jadi kata live salah karena seharusnya live pakai D, lived tuh kan. Susah. Soal nomor 13. It's essential that the temperature is not elevated to a point where the substance formed may become unstable and decompose into its constituent elements. It's essential that the temperature is not elevated to a point where the substance formed may become unstable and decompose into It's essential that the temperature is not elevated to a point where the substance form may become stable and into it's mungkin ya. Nggak tahu. Salah guys. Berarti may become. Salah juga ya. It's essential that the temperatures it's not elevate to a point. Itu essential that the temperature is not elevate to a point. Oh, to point. Kan ada where, harusnya ada tempat. Salah juga. Aduh. It's essential the temperature is not elevate. But it's not. Was not mungkin ya. Oh, is not harus diganti dengan not be karena ia terletak tepat setelah impersonal impression. It is essential that impersonal, saya gak ngerti nih. Is not harus diganti dengan not be karena ia terletak tepat setelah impersonal impression. Oh, impersonal impression itu salah contohnya adalah it is essential that, itu impersonal impression. Formulanya adalah impersonal impression tambah subject tambah verb word. Subject tambah verb word. Subject tambah, nggak ngerti saya. That the temperature, it essential that. It essential that berarti ini subject, the temperature subjeknya gimana sih? Not be. Oh, nggak ngerti saya. Is not harus diganti dengan not be karena ia terletak tepat setelah impersonal impression. It is essential that, formula impersonal impression, subject tambah verb word, not be, verb word. Not be itu kata benar, verb kah? Not be. Berarti it is essential that the temperatures not be evaluate. Nggak ngerti saya. Next, 2 of the players from the Yankees has been chosen to participate in the All-Star game. 2 of the players, 2 dari maksudnya the Yankees has been, to have been kali ya, chosen to participate. 2 of the player, 2 dari have been, kan have been tuh, maksudnya 2 of the player lebih dari satu. Oke. Nah, soal nomor 15. John Philip Sousa, who many people consider the greatest composer of marches, wrote his music during the era known as the Big 90s. Who many people consider the greatest composer of marches, wrote his music during the era who, kata ganti dari John Philip Sousa. Many sudah benar, ada people, consider the greatest composer, the greatest ada the-nya benar, known as. Salah. John Philip Sousa, who many people consider the greatest composer of marches, what's music during the, who many people consider, apa ya, greatest, salah juga. Who many people consider the greatest composer, many, who mungkin ya, who, kok who harus, whom harus diganti dengan whom karena whom merupakan komplement dari klausa. Many people consider Who harus diganti dengan whom. Karena whom merupakan komplement dari klausa. Many people consider whom. Oh ya. Ngerti? Saya nggak ngerti. Saya masih belum mengerti. John Philip Sousa, whom many people consider the greatest composer of marches, wrote his music during the era known as the Big 90s. Whom consider. Penjelasannya bagaimana sih? Who harus diganti dengan whom karena whom merupakan komplement dari klausa many people consider. Kita buka. Relative pronouns yang merujuk kepada orang, person bisa who dan bisa whom. Who dipakai untuk merujuk kepada orang yang berposisi sebagai subjek dalam sebuah kalimat. Oh iya komplement. Oke guys, ngerti sekarang. Oh masih ada. In order for one to achieve the desired results in this experience, it's necessary that he work as fastly as possible. For one to achieve, kayaknya as fast as nggak pakai ly. He work as fast as possible. Kan kata fast tetap fast ketika ia menjadi adverb kata keterangan. Fast tidak pernah berubah menjadi fastly. Oke. Adverb of manner, fast, light, hard. Oke. 17. Whoever inspected this radio should have put their identification number on the box. Whoever inspected it, whoever berarti tunggal, should have put whoever inspected this radio should have put their identification numbers. Numbernya ini tidak pakai s, berarti tunggal. He put her atau his itu his identification. Oke, his. Nah, kan penjelasannya that itu kan there seharusnya his atau her karena whoever bermakna tunggal atau singular. Whoever itu kan bermakna singular. Oke, next. 18. The new model costs twice more than last year model. Bukan more than. Twice more as last year. Cost twice than. More than. Oke. Setelah kata-kata menyatakan kelipatan twice, third times, dan lain-lain, itu biasanya diikuti oleh frase as much as. Jadi modern harus diganti dengan as much as agar kalimat tersebut menjadi benar. Oke. As much as. Twice as much as. Ini kalimat hafalan ya pemirsa. Karena tidak selamanya pakai more than, tapi bisa pakai as much as. Soal nomor 19. The purpose of the United Nations broad speaking is to maintain peace and security and to encourage respect for human rights. The purpose of the United Nations is to maintain peace and security and to encourage respect. The purpose broad speaking kali ya. Biasanya itu udah pakai ing kalau apositif. Pemirsa kita cek ya. Nah, itu kan broad speaking. Sebagian besar adverb of manner dibentuk dengan menambahkan li pada adjektif. Broad seharusnya broadly. Broadly speaking. Oh, gitu. Adverb of manner. Kata kerja manner. Pusing kepalaku. Next. It is an accept custom for one to say excuse me when he sneezes. It is an accepted. Yang satu present, yang satu past. Custom for one to say excuse me when he sneezes. Berarti sneeze pasif, accepted juga pasif, berarti it was ini past ya. It was an accept custom for one to say excuse me when he sneezes. Salah. It is an accepted. It is an accepted custom for one to say excuse me when sneeze. Enggak pakai he. Salah juga. When he sneezing. When he were sneezing. Ya karena ini kejadian masih berlangsung pada saat ada kata excuse me. Klausa it is an accepting custom berbentuk present tense. Jadi sneeze harusnya sneezes. Bukan D pakai S, sneezes. Sneeze. It is an acceptance. Present tense. Present perfect ini nah. Sneeze harusnya sneezes. It is an accepted custom. Saya bukan jurusan bahasa Inggris pemirsa. I have no degree in English. So wajar lah ya kalau saya gak ngerti beberapa soal ini. Kita next. Masih ada pemirsa. Banyak banget ya. Even though Miss Colombia lost the beauty contest, she was still more prettier. More prettier. Itu harusnya more pretty atau prettier saja, guys. More prettier seharusnya hanya prettier, karena pretty terdiri dua suku kata, pretty ditambah ir untuk yang lebih dari dua suku kata. Misal beautiful kita gunakan more. Tidak boleh menggunakan more dan akhiran er secara bersamaan. Next. 22. There have been little change in the patient's condition since he was moved to the intensive care unit. There have been little change. There have been little change in the patient condition since he was moved to the intensive. There have been little change. There have been little, antara have been sama little ini ya. Biasanya little itu pakai a little change. There have been little change in the patient condition. There have been susah banget sih. There have been little change in the patient condition since he was moved to the intensive care unit. Final answer little. A little. Salah, berarti there have been. Itu kan there have been, there has. Ya. Astagfirullah, salah. Kita fokusnya ke pasiennya his tunggal. Sorry, susah banget. Harus konsen pemirsa kalau kerjakan soal. Although we are concerned about the problem of energy sources, we must not fail recognizing the need for environmental protection. Although we are concerned about the problem of energy sources, we must not fail to recognize kali ya. Itu kan benar. Setelah kata fail harus diikuti to infinitive. Jadi recognize ya. To recognize. Fail to recognize. Soal nomor 24, because of the movement of a glacier, the form of the Great Lakes was very slowly. Very slowly. Salah. Because of the movement of glacier, the form because the form kali ya. Bahasanya nggak tahu. Form harus diganti. Formation. Form harus diganti dengan formation karena yang dibutuhkan adalah noun. Kata benda dari form adalah formation. Formation. Iya. Because of the formation of the Great Lakes. Professor Parker recommended that we are present at the reception this afternoon in order to meet the representative from the Fulbright Commission. Professor Parker recommended that we are present at the reception this afternoon in order to meet the representative from susahnya. It's quite difficult. Professor Parker recommended that we were present at the reception this we are present this afternoon. This afternoon sudah benar di situ. In order to meet antara are sama to meet. We are presented. Sampai 25 ya. Professor Parker recommended that we were present at the reception this order meet are benar. Professor Parker recommended that we are present. Pembahasannya verb word harus digunakan setelah kata recommended that. Jadi are harus diganti dengan be agar kalian sebut. Gitu ya. Recommended. Verb word harus diganti setelah kata recommended that. Jadi are harus diganti dengan be agar kalian jadi benar. Verb word recommended that. Masih tidak mengerti saya. Professor Parker recommended that we are. Verb word harus digunakan setelah kata recommended that. Recommended be. Recommended that. Verb word are bukan verb word. Harus diganti be. Nggak ngerti saya. Capek. Bagaimana dengan jawaban kalian? Apakah kalian juga salah banyak atau gimana? Tadi saya salahnya berapa ya? 4 atau 5 ya? Ya nanti dicek ulang ya videonya. Oke, terima kasih sudah menonton pemirsa. Tetap semangat belajar TOEFL pemirsa, karena ini bagus untuk melatih kemampuan bahasa Inggris kita. Karena TOEFL ini standarnya adalah Amerika, jadi Di sini kita belajar American English ya pemirsa. Kalau IELTS itu British English. Oke, semangat belajar. Bye-bye.